Hey. So, I'm really bored outside. I have a shade thing that I'm under, if that helps, but it's still pretty hot, and I'm bored, and I'm hungry, and I'm tired, and I'm thirsty, and I have to go to the bathroom really bad. Yeah. But so bored. At least I have shorts on, because that would be horrible if I didn't. Feels kind of good out here though, so it's not that horrible. Oh, but this lady just came to the gate, not my gate, but my neighbor's gate, and looked up at me, and I looked up, and then I looked away, and then she went away. It was really awkward. Speaking of awkward, yeah, the Great Gatsby movie is so awkward. They were just staring at each other the whole time, not even saying anything. And she got emotional over some shirts. So yeah, just kind of crazy. She sounds drunk every time she talks. My whole class was laughing at everything that happened, and Miss Brooks was like, I didn't know this was a comedy, and I was like, yeah, because it's freaking dumb. Anyways, still bored, as you can see. Yeah. I wish I had a pillow and a blanket. That would make it a lot better. Oh, freaking butterfly just landed on my chair. That was huge. I hate butterflies. They're so freaking creepy. Ugh. I hate bugs. Can you see me? Whoa. Okay. So, yeah, I think it's time to go now.